Bonjour and welcome to Two Girls, One Electric Car. I'm Piper Blush and so what am I doing in the parking? Here at the Roosevelt Hotel. As you can see, it's written there. Roosevelt Hotel. Well, this is because actually I have a battery problem. And this is an electric car, so it's not a good problem to have. I've been having this problem almost since day 4 of the road trip, and now we are day 15 or 16. I can't recall anymore. As you can hear in my voice, I went out yesterday at the Musso and Frank Grill. And I went out again after that.
A dark, mysterious bar on Hollywood Boulevard, and we ran into these nice people from Canada, from Quebec, Canada.
Quebec, Canada?
Yeah.
And after that again. So, didn't really sleep. But that's okay. I need to show you something for your Tesla. Come on in. As you can see here, vehicle will consume more energy. Schedule service to replace low voltage battery. I had no idea what that meant. So what I did is I asked my AI.
Don't freak out, Piper. It's the small battery. Even spaceships have a regular car battery hiding inside.
And it said that this is very normal, no freaking out. It's not the big battery that goes in the Tesla. It's actually just a little 12-volt battery that every car has to kind of start it, the radio, like back in the day and all these things. But the problem is that it consumes a lot more electricity, meaning a lot more battery. And I actually saw this happen. The battery drains almost 1 kilometer per hour. Yeah, like 0.6 miles per hour since I've had this issue. And it's been going on. And I was like, how come I just parked the car and now I have no more battery? It happened at the hotel room. So I was at this hotel and I had about maybe 20 miles left in the car, and then I came back the next morning and my phone said that it was at 0%, like there was 0% left of the battery, and so I should plug it right now. And that's the first time that this happened to me. It has never happened. Oh, also, as you can see, the electric scooters are there. Yeah, since my car cannot be used, well, we might as well just go electric scooter all over Hollywood because up in the hills here, it's crazy. Yeah, there's some houses everywhere, but you don't really see them. They're hidden. Hey, Post Malone.
Hey Piper, love your content and people you should subscribe to her channel. Really cool stuff.
I've been listening to 21 Savage and this guy a lot.
I've been in the hills, fucking superstars, feeling like a pop star.
Don't have a car. Yeah, enjoy the shade, right? It's $150,000 for shade. This electric scooter is already broken. The handle here, sometimes it's stuck. But now, the other electric scooter also broke. It's its front wheel, while we were going up in the hills.
I've been in the hills, fucking superstars, feeling like a pop star.
So now we have to come back down because there's no way we're gonna be able to make it. With this thing stuck and this wheel broken. I mean, I don't know if they have a electric scooter fixing like the Tesla. They come to you, right, and they help you fix it out. So probably when we get back in Canada, I'm gonna need to get them fixed or get new electric scooters. There's a lot of potholes. You would think the rich people would have really smooth riding, but no, a lot of potholes. Need to do?
Yeah. Should be done in 15-20 minutes.
Wow, that's fast. 15-20 minutes? Okay. Can we watch? Can I watch? Yeah? Can I film too?
No, film no.
Okay.
Just watching.
Just watching. The Tesla that I have, which is an older Model X, 2016, well, it used a normal car battery. So like any car you can see here pretty much has this type of battery. But I asked if the Cybertruck, I'm still not awake. If the Cybertruck, he had ever changed it. If I'm thinking of getting one, will it last longer? So on newer Tesla models, it does last longer. But then the thing is, on the Cybertruck, it's a 48-volt battery. It's bigger, and he said he has never had to change one yet. The Cybertruck has been around for a while now. It's fixed now, so we can go back to Canada without worrying about a flashing button. It's all good. The battery should last, I guess, another few years, maybe 2, depending, since we're on the road a lot. Maybe it's gonna be shorter than that. And, well, what else? I mean, he had to recalibrate a little bit the doors, but I think it's not the doors, it's just because when you unplug the battery, it kind of disconnects, so it has to be recalibrated. But everything works now, and I saw the door go higher than I ever saw it go. I didn't know it could kind of like do like this and fly away. Let's grab the electric scooters and let's go up in the hills.
I've been in the hills, fucking superstars, feeling like a pop star.
I don't have a dog, but there's dog hair everywhere. Must have been somewhere that we picked that up.
Oh my gosh, what is happening? So many puppies! Stop barking so much!
It works. Okay. Meet you over there. The Model X has these doors, right? With all the other models, they don't have the doors like this. And well, what he was saying is that when you work for Tesla, and you have to go in these underground parkings and places like that, well, they beep a lot. They do. And then you need to lift them off completely in parking space. It's very rare. Because see how tall this is? Like, it's very tall. So even in my parking spot at my place in Vancouver, I have to be somewhere where there's no like hosing, you know, for like the, or else it won't go up.
For owners of older electric vehicles, say a 2016 Tesla Model X, the day eventually comes when the 12-volt battery needs replacing. The good news, Tesla sends a technician to your driveway. 15 minutes. Done. The better news, it's cheaper in Canada. So if you want to save a few dollars, consider crossing the border. This has been a message from your friendly Canadian, Piper.
Follow Piper.